Welcome to another slice of Unboxing Paradise, and for today's slice, it's the Crucial MX500 series SATA SSD. The Crucial MX500 solid state drive. This has become my go-to sort of mid-range value SSD over the Samsung Evo for SATA because it's a little bit cheaper. Though I do prefer the Samsung Evo series overall as a slightly more premium option. But it doesn't quite sacrifice as much as the BX500 does. So let's go ahead and open her up. Plastic clamshell, spacer with stick on. I don't remember this coming in with these before. And there's the drive itself. So you can see 6 gigabit per second SATA. It does imply that it's a self-encrypting drive, and it does list the factory firmware version there. So it's light. The case is at least metal, so that'll help it stay thermally, down to a usable temperature. But a decent mid-range SSD that's still better than the absolute cheapest ones, and it's from a quality manufacturer. So we're going to throw that back in the case for now and get ready to continue with this rebuild. The MX500 series comes in 250 gigabyte, 500 gigabyte, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, and 4 terabyte capacities. Sequential reads at 560 megabytes per second, sequential writes at 510 megabytes per second, random read I/O operations 95,000, random write I/O operations 90,000, applies to all models. Each drive has a 5-year warranty with 100 terabytes written on the 250, 180 terabytes written on the 500 gig, 360 terabytes written on the 1 terabyte, 700 terabytes written on the 2 terabyte, and up to 1,000 terabytes written on the 4 terabyte drive. It's an improvement over Crucial's BX500 series and other entry-level drives because it has better write endurance and a cache. It does have 2 years more warranty than Crucial's BX500 drives. It's a drive that should be reliable from a large manufacturer. It's great for upgrading older PCs, but I don't recommend this drive if you plan on writing lots of large files. It's my second favorite SATA SSD for mid-range SSDs, and I'd place it right below the Samsung Evo 870 series. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications.